On your journey to the pristine slopes of Western Ghats, where wellness blends with nature. Step into the heavens of tranquility, well-being, comfort and ease with our award-winning amenities. Enter into a dimension of surreal perfection and witness the infinite beauty. Unplug yourself and relax in the comfort of ultimate luxury. Appreciate the smile of newness in every turn. Enrich your time and thoughts with your companion. Taste flavors that link on the planet eternity. Experience a journey of deep transformation. Meditation and spirituality. Stay connected to yourself and find your absolute bliss in the nature's lab. Our guiding hands will awaken your innate power. Our ancient wisdom in Unani and Ayurveda heals your soul, body, and mind. It's our privilege to pamper and satisfy your desires with our optimized international facilities. It's our culture to make you feel cherished. Tigris Valley, the pristine land of wellness. Heal with nature.